Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Frigiboa in Creatures of Sonaria. Frigiboa is a unique Tier 1 semi-aquatic omnivore, meaning it can thrive both on land and in water, and eats both plants and meat. The only way to acquire this creature is by successfully completing a series of in-game missions. These tasks are presented to you through the game's mission window, guiding you through the steps needed to unlock this fascinating creature for your collection. The missions to obtain Frigiboa are diverse, often requiring you to perform different actions within the game world. For example, you might need to survive for a certain amount of time or travel a specific distance. Some tasks are tied to environmental factors, like experiencing the winter season. It's important to keep an eye on your mission progress, which is conveniently displayed in your user interface, so you always know how close you are to success. You'll encounter several types of challenges during your quest for Frigiboa. A frequent task involves gaining the cold status and maintaining it for a set duration. Another mission often requires you to swim a specific number of studs, which is the game's unit of distance. Interestingly, one task may even involve consuming rotten meat. Frigiboa itself possesses an iron stomach ability, allowing it to eat rotten food without getting sick, which is quite useful. To efficiently complete these missions, consider using a small, agile Tier 1 creature, as they are often quicker for travel and less conspicuous. If a mission requires specific weather, like winter, try server hopping to find a server where those conditions are present. Always remember to check your mission progress frequently in the mission window. This ensures you are always aware of your current standing and what steps remain to finally unlock your very own Frigiboa.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.